To install the front bumper on your RZR 200, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the parking brake is set and remove the key. Then, disconnect both headlight connectors from behind the headlight. Next, remove and retain 4 push-pin rivets from the sides of the front fascia. Then, remove and discard 4 fasteners from the front fascia. Continue by disengaging the 2 upper tabs on the fascia. Then, maneuver the front fascia out and away from the vehicle. Next, disconnect the brake switch near the front fascia bracket. Then, remove and discard 2 fasteners from the front fascia bracket. And discard the bracket. Next, with the arrows on the front provided mount pointing up, align it with the mounting holes on the frame. Then, install the 2 new provided fasteners and torque the fasteners to specification. Next, reconnect the brake switch. Then, pivot the front fascia under the hood and push into place. Ensuring the retention tab is fully seated. Continue by reinstalling 4 retained push-pin rivets. Then, reconnect the headlight connectors. Next, align the front bumper with the mounting holes in the front fascia, and loosely install the 2 provided upper fasteners. Then, install the 2 provided lower fasteners into the bumper. And torque the fasteners to specification. Finally, torque the upper fasteners to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.